Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Unboxing by Ashna. Last video we unboxed the January 2021 BOXY box, and today we'll be unboxing the February 2021 BOXY box. This month's theme is Valentine's Day, so let's get started. The first item that we have is this Getaway Eye and Face Palette by Wander Beauty. This eyeshadow palette features 6 pigmented shadows, a blush and highlighter that is enriched with mango seed butter and hyaluronic acid. This palette retails for $36. The second item is this Coco Gold Mist by the Beauty Corp. This hydrating mist helps set and refresh your makeup look. The mist includes a delicate amount of gold pearlescent shimmer. This item retails for $14.99. Retailing for $29, the third item that we have is this Vitamin C Sleep Mask by Saturday Skin. A lightweight mask that works while you sleep that helps with anti-aging, dullness, pores, and texture. The mask has a jelly-like texture that contains yuzu fruit, which has 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus fruit. The next item in our box is the Caffeinated Scalp Scrub by Frank Body, which retails for $18.95. Made with coffee and rosemary, this mask exfoliates built-up product and detoxifies your scalp. The last item in our Valentine's Day box is the So Rich Love Potion Cuticle Oil by NCLA Beauty, which retails for $18. This cuticle oil contains safflower seed oil and vitamin E. That's all that came in the February 2021 BOXY box. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more unboxing videos.